Hello everyone, welcome to Mock Test Series 1. There are only few days left for your JEE Main 2025 January batch. So please practice more and more questions and please test yourself on writing some mock test which is having the same pattern of JEE Main. So theory is part and learning those concepts are over. Now we are jumping into mock test. From today you will be getting 5 mock test paper which is mostly aligned with JEE Main papers, and we just worked on a team to get some anticipated questions for this year by analyzing past 10 years of JEE Main papers. Okay, so how you can write mock test? I'll be attaching a link to the test in the description box below. You can click on the link. Click on the link on the description. So once you click on it, you will get a test. So this test will be for 45 minutes. This is only for chemistry, which is having 20 multiple choice questions and 10 numerical value questions. You can round off the figure to put the numerical values for section B. For each question you will get 4 marks for correct answer and 0 marks for unattempted and incorrect. For now, we'll just make it simple. I'm not including any negative marks here, but please check out what are the answers you went incorrect. Okay, so this is how the mock test will look like. You can see you have to give your email ID so that the answers will be sent to your email ID. You can check back after some time. And here you need not to fill anything. It's just for calculating your scores, and the test starts over down. The section 1 consists of 20 questions of MCQ, and section 2, which will have numerical type questions. Please read the question very carefully before writing the answer. Put the integer values in the box provided over here, and once you click on submit, your scores will be appear upon clicking on view score button. What if you have any other doubts in the question paper? How to solve this, how to solve that? So for that you can check out this YouTube link which you will be getting once your test is done. Okay, so upon clicking on this YouTube link, you will be lead you through the YouTube video of this paper analysis. Okay, so this test is for 45 minutes. I restricted the time limit to 45 minutes. Beyond that you can't continue the test. So please read thoroughly and attempt the test. Okay, so wishing you very all the best, and practice and practice and practice more and more questions. If you need any concept revision or any chapters to be revised, please let us know in the comments. We'll do it immediately. All I want is you have to clear JEE Main 2025. For that, we'll also put our effort to make you ace this exam. So practice, practice, practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Thank you.